The Big Blue 400 Pro is Miller's most popular low-speed diesel welder. This model has been a staple for many field welding industries, including structural steel, transmission pipeline, process piping, and MRO. It's the most compact, low-speed diesel engine drive in its class. The Big Blue 400 Pro's closest competitor is 4 inches longer and takes up 16% more space. Even with the smaller size, service items are easily accessible from a single side panel. Miller knows that engine preference is important for our customers. That's why we offer the Big Blue 400 Pro with the choice of a Kubota, Mitsubishi, or Cat turbo engine. The Big Blue 400 Pro stands out with its welding arc performance. For stick welding, 2 processes are available. One optimized for downhill welding with cellulosic electrodes such as 60 and 80-10 electrodes, and another for general welding such as 70-18 electrodes. Additionally, Big Blue 400 Pros contain dynamic dig technology, which provides a tailorable stick arc by allowing the operator to independently adjust the drive of the arc versus the fluidity of the puddle. Big Blues are a popular choice for TIG welding, for shutdown, turnaround projects. This process has Miller-exclusive lift arc and auto crater to optimize arc starts and terminations. Gouge up to 1/4 inch carbon electrodes from your Big Blue 400 Pro. The Big Blue 400 also has models with arc reach technology. A popular benefit is voltage control from the point of work with the Arc Reach 12 suitcase feeder. This combination has several advantages, including improvements to productivity, job site safety, and weld quality. Arc Reach also enables functionality with a portfolio of Miller accessories from induction heating with the Arc Reach heater to advanced CV processes like pulsed MIG or RMD with the Smart Feeder. Big Blue 400s are also available with the Wireless Interface Control, or WIC. This full-featured remote allows you to have full front panel control away from your machine. This also features an inactivity off timer for the engine, as well as pre-saved programs. The Big Blue 400 is a sound solution for mobile welding by providing the power needed for a job site. This unit can push 12 kilowatts of peak, 10 kilowatts of continuous aux power, and contains a pair of duplex receptacles and a multi-voltage full kVA plug, which can power a secondary 240-volt welder or plasma cutter, or a direct connection to a job site spider box. The Big Blue 400 Pro has been a top choice for welders for years and continues to lead in its class. From its compact size, great arc quality, to the Miller exclusive technologies, the Big Blue 400 Pro continues to be an industry leader.